The Bissell CleanView Max Tangle-Free Vacuum delivers powerful suction and tangle-free cleaning for carpets and hard floors. Its lightweight design and versatile tools make everyday cleaning quick, easy, and efficient.
What's in the box?
In the box, you find the Bissell CleanView Max Tangle-Free Vacuum, crevice tool, pet tool, vacuum hose, handle,
And user manual.
How to use: install the wand into the base of the machine, rotate the hose into the wand until it locks in place, install the hose clip, press the hose into the clip, and attach the desired cleaning tool. Turn the machine on, select the correct height setting for your carpet type, then step on the recline pedal and pull the handle back to begin cleaning. For above floor cleaning, release the extension wand or remove the hose from the handle. Attach the desired tool, clean as needed, then reinstall the wand and lock the hose back into place before storing the hose in its clip. Maintenance. For optimal performance, clean the vacuum after every use. Turn the machine off, unplug it, and remove the dirt tank to empty the collected debris. Remove the separator and pre-motor filter, clean both thoroughly, and allow them to air dry completely for 24 hours before reinstalling. Wipe the inside of the dirt tank clean, then reinstall the separator and filter. To maintain the brush roll system, recline the vacuum, turn it over, and remove the brush roll cover. Inspect the cover and squeegee for damage, remove the brush roll, and ensure it is clean and spins freely. Check the drive belt for wear or damage, then reinstall the belt, brush roll, and brush roll cover securely before using the vacuum cleaner again.
Smart features?
The specially designed brush roll helps prevent hair from wrapping around the bristles during cleaning. It reduces maintenance while delivering consistent performance on carpets and hard floors. Multi-Cyclonic technology provides strong, consistent suction to lift dirt, dust, and debris from a variety of floor surfaces. It also helps maintain cleaning performance by separating fine particles from the airflow. Swivel steering allows the vacuum to glide smoothly around furniture, corners, and other obstacles. Its responsive maneuverability makes everyday cleaning easier and more efficient. The quick-release extension wand provides instant access to above-floor cleaning without interrupting your workflow. It makes it easy to clean stairs, upholstery, ceilings, and other hard-to-reach areas. Bright LED headlights illuminate dust, pet hair, and hidden debris under furniture and in dimly lit spaces. This helps ensure a more thorough and efficient clean. The large-capacity dirt tank holds more dirt and debris, reducing the need for frequent emptying. Its easy-release design allows for quick, hygienic, and mess-free disposal.
Specifications. Safety precautions.
Want to grab the Bissell CleanView Max Vacuum Cleaner from Amazon?
Just tap on the link in the description below.
That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Bissell CleanView Max Vacuum Cleaner. See you at the next one.